going to head back into the realm of Star Wars with this next build. Do something build one I haven't built out of my collection. This one's been in the collection for a while, but what we're going to be building here is the 1/72nd scale Tie Interceptor from Bandai. And as you can see, there's a lot of plastic involved. Of course, this is to be expected. This is a Bandai kit. Do have a combination of decals and or stickers available. Truth be told, after my experience with some of its cousins, I'm probably not going to use any of them. The solar panels, taking a cue actually from what was done with the old fine molds kits, as well as what Bandai did with the previous ties, the black portions of the solar panels are actually separate pieces from the frames. And of course you've got the rest of the frames. One thing I like is this one actually calls for the window frame to be black. It actually comes with a black window frame or the more traditional gray one. At this point though, I'm going to stop babbling and just get to work putting this thing together. Alright, real quick update here as we've got the first couple of stages of the cockpit built. Pilot is in place, as well as his seat and the control stick. I'm not probably going to do much to detail the cockpit itself because you're not going to see much once this thing's assembled, but thought I'd share what we've got. Alright, as you can see, the main pod is now assembled. Black cockpit frame in place. The standard guns for the tie in place. I've got it mounted on the kit stand, which, like with some of the others, is set up to actually mount inside the back window insert. This little build is going very quickly. Next up will be the solar panels. Alright, as you can see, main construction is now complete. Both panels are in place. At this point, I'm debating going with a black wash. We'll play that by ear in a second. Alright. As should come as no surprise to anybody who's watched these videos before, this being a Bandai kit, it's basically done. Went in and gave her a black wash. To accentuate the detail. As you can see, it brought it out really well. I haven't washed the base, but then again, the focus is the kit itself. You can make out the pilot back there, but I was right in that there wasn't much point in detailing the cockpit. Of course, you've got your 4 wingtip guns, your 2 traditional guns here on the nose. Again, I like the fact that the base will actually insert into the back of the, well, what would be the back window of the cockpit. All in all, this is a very fun little kit to put together. Actual assembly was about 45 minutes to an hour. And in order to avoid any rambling here, I'm going to go ahead and put some stills at the end of this, and thank you all for watching.